Oh baby, what is today, the 20th?
I don't even know.
I think it is the 20th. This is the snowstorm that we're supposed to be having. And it is blowing quite a bit. You can barely see the service truck over here. But we're in the hot tub. And we're just enjoying this out here. Honky Tonk Manor. That's our closest neighbor right there, that light in the distance. Actually, that looks like the law. Better turn the camera off and hide now. But I suppose it's probably about 10 o'clock. It's just beautiful out here. It's blowing. The snow. It's like a balmy 11 degrees. But I'm like 102 sitting in here. How you doing, Kimmie? Are you hot?
Yeah, I'm sweating.
I'm sweating too. It's awesome. Folks, if you don't have a hot tub, you best be getting one. They're good for your gizzard.